Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, back with the third giveaway of the day. Yes, I am going March mad. I am March mad. It's the last day of the month and tomorrow is April Fool's Day, so I feel like being very generous today. So the next giveaway, the next lucky winner will win these two gorgeous cards. One is from Daisy Delight and the other is forgotten what it's called. Flower Patch, is it? Flower Patch, no, Flower Shop. And the Pansy Punch. Gorgeous card, love that one. Made that one a while ago actually. So we've got these two cards to give away. Let's have a look and see who the lucky winner is. Oh, I've got three in my hand and I dropped them and I'm so sorry. I can't just have right. We've got a pink one. Pink 158. So this is pink 158, not blue. So make sure that you had pink be written before the number. So this is pink 158. If you're the lucky winner, email me your name and address and I shall pop these in the post to you. So well done and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.